What's cracking? And it's a quick video on how to use DoorDash credits to eat for the free.
How many know God is real?
What do I know about eating for free on DoorDash? I've done over $3,000 on my personal account, and I've helped get other people thousands of dollars in credits. And this video is on how to use those credits.
That's what I'm talking about.
Now, if you've never used DoorDash before, don't use your own money. The first link in the description is a promo code for $20. If you use that link, you get $20 and I get $20 and everybody eats, B.
Everybody eats.
My name is P. Smith and this is Graduated Money, where we teach you how to make money while you sleep, how to fire your boss, and how to get the internet to work for you. Let's graduate that bag. Let's start it up. All right, so I'm gonna go into the DoorDash app. Boom. Let that load. Hello. You go over on the bottom right to the account tab right there. Boom. You see it right there. Okay, you got my government, whatever. And you see I got $10 in credits right there. Now you probably looking at that like, this guy said he had thousands. Where's that? We've been eating. Straight up. But let's go to this referral tab. Boom. Refer a friend, get $20. Get 20 in credits when someone signs up using your referral link and places their first order over $10. Your friend also gets $20 off, $5 for each of their first 4 orders. Money in the bank. How much have I earned? You've earned $3,062 from referrals. For all you, he has $10 in his account.
They hate us because they ain't us.
That's not what it is.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. They hate us because we is us.
Here is what you do. You go to the home button, and instead of getting it delivered, you click this pickup tab. And this is all the restaurants that you can order from in the app, and go to the restaurant to pick it up. No extra tax, no delivery fees. Deals.
I just peed on myself. Oh, it's okay. Don't worry about it.
So let's just go to Kover, one of my favorite restaurants over here. Let's just say we want this bento box. Make it easy. Let's say we want that beef short rib. We want that California roll on the side. $17.95. Subtotal $17.95. Tax $1.80. I would still pay $10 out of my own pocket because I only have $10 in credits. If you have $20 in credits, this would be a free meal right here. So bang, that's how you use DoorDash credits to eat for free. If you want a training on how I was able to get over $3,000 in credits, check the link above that just popped over. If you want $20 in credits for your first orders, the link is below. And if you want to have a better day, it's all in your mindset. Let's go graduate that bag. Woo.